वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो। श्रीभगवानुवाच वित्थेदं द्रोणपुत्रस्य ब्राह्ममस्तं प्रदर्शितं नैवासो वेदसंहारं प्राणबाधोपस्थिते। So, Vyasdev, this Srimad Bhagavatam Mahamuni Krite, it is not written by ordinary person. In the beginning it is said, Srimad Bhagavati Mahamuni Krite. Not only Muni, but Mahamuni. Kivannai Shastrai. Under the instruction of his spiritual master, Vyasdev revealed the scripture by spiritual experience. Bhakti yogi pranihite amale. Bhakti yoga, he could realize. Narad Muni asked him to write simply on the activities of the Supreme Personality of God. He has written so many books, all the Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, but he was not feeling satisfied. Even after writing the Vedanta Sutra, so at that time Narad Muni happened to come to him and he chastised him that you have written so many books, but they are not very useful. Because people are generally attracted to dharma, artha, kam, moksha. They are attracted. Those who are civilized men, they are attracted with some sort of religion system. It doesn't matter whether he is Hindu or Muslim or Christian, they have some sort of religious practice. That is the beginning of human civilization. When there is no religious practice, that is not civilized man. Just like in the jungle, aborigines, or the animals, they have no religious system. In the human society, there is some religious system. Therefore, when the human society becomes without any religious understanding, the dharmena hina pasubhi samana, immediately they are enemies. They are not human beings. In civilized world, now at the present moment, especially the famous movement, communist movement, they are after completely driving out religious system. This is the misfortune of this age. So they are not in fault in one sense, because the guardians of the religious system, they are fallen. Just like immediately our Subhavilas Prabhu was asking me that we have seen so many temples, why they are so neglected? Is it not your question? And why they should not neglect it? Mostly the temples, they have become the means of livelihood. That is the defect. Temple is not meant for means of livelihood. Then it will deteriorate. How long you can falsely worship deity and make show of arati? You cannot go on very long time. That is not possible. You will be disgusted. Unless there is feeling, bhava, that here is Krishna. Krishna has very kindly come here to receive, to accept my humble service. He is so great that he cannot be approached by a person like me. Anoraniyanga mahato mahiyan. Suppose for the impersonalist Virat Rupa, the sky is the head of the personality of Godhead. They think like that. And the big mountains are the bones, and big oceans are the holes of the body, and the trees, they are. In one sense it is all right. But if you take the Virat Rupa, how you can capture? It is impossible. He has Virat Rupa, he has shown Virat Rupa to Krishna. But you cannot capture that Virat Rupa. You are teeny. Therefore, he is so kind that he has appeared before you in this temple so that you can touch him actually. You can serve him. You can dress him. You can offer him eatables, cities. Therefore, if we think like that, not think, it is a fact, because God is not only very big, Mahato Mahiyan Anoraniya, he can become smaller than the smallest. That is God. Brahma does not mean simply big, so that you cannot capture. That is omnipotency. Whatever he likes, he can become. He can put all the universes within his mouth. When Jasodamai challenged that, Krishna, you are eating earth, your friends are complaining. No, mother, I did not. They are telling false. Now your elder brother, Balaram answers me. Now he has, this morning, he is angry with me, therefore he has joined it. I want to see your face. So she opened the mouth, and the mother saw that millions of Jasoda and millions of universes are within the mouth. Then she thought, maybe something. All right, don't do it. Finish it. Now Krishna is millions of universes within the mouth. He is being punished by Jasoda. This is Krishna. Anoraniyang mahato mahiya. This is Krishna. So when Krishna comes, you cannot see Krishna. You cannot capture Krishna. Mahato mahiya. When he comes before you, Achamurti, Acha Vigraha. This is Acha Vigraha, deity. Acha is Vishnu Siladhi. Krishna has appeared just like the same thing. Krishna, Jasodamani wanted the Supreme Personality of Godhead as his son, for which hundreds of years he undergone austerities. And when the Supreme Personality of Godhead appeared before him, for both the husband and wife, what do you want? Now we want a son like you. So Krishna said, there is no second one beyond me. So I shall become your son. So he became son. So he must play it perfectly. that Jasada Mai may not understand that here is the Supreme Personality of God. Then the feelings of mother and son will disappear. Hey, Krishna is playing exactly like a little child. So that is Krishna's mercy. This is Krishna's mercy. Similarly, to us, we are not so elevated like Nanda Maharaj or Jasada Maharaj. We are just beginners. So, we do not know what is Krishna. We cannot see Krishna, either is Virat Murti or this Murti. So what we can see stone, wood, or material things. So, when Krishna appears to be seen by you, and he appears like a stone statue, he is not stone statue. Don't think. Therefore, we must learn how to see Krishna